the receiving is in the giving. That when it comes to racial reconciliation, it's not an act of charity for the poor and disenfranchised, but we all need healing. If you've come to help me, you are wasting your time. But if you've come because your liberation is tied up with mine, then let us work together. That the process is transformational for everyone. This is what Paulo Freire calls the dialogic between oppressor and oppressed. That there's never been a time when the oppressor has just liberated the oppressed. There's always been a conversation, and it's often been uncomfortable. But the meeting of two personalities is like the contact of two chemical substances, and if there is any reaction, both are transformed. This will transform us all. It's not just that all of our grandchildren are going to be busy falling in love with one another and making babies and, although that is happening. We have to orchestrate this ourselves.